Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the blender with self-cleaning and dry grinder, a powerful and versatile blender designed for those who want to make smoothies, crush ice, and grind spices and coffee with ease. This blender is special because it comes with a 1400W motor, a large 68-ounce jar, and a separate 27-ounce mill for grinding spices and coffee, making it perfect for home cooks, bakers, and coffee enthusiasts who want a high-quality blender that can handle a variety of tasks. Let me break down the specs. The blender with self-cleaning and dry grinder comes with a 1400W motor, which is capable of reaching speeds of up to 28,000 revolutions per minute, making it perfect for crushing ice and blending tough ingredients. The blender has a large 68-ounce jar made of BPA-free Tridam material, which is dishwasher-safe and can withstand extreme temperatures. The 27-ounce mill is made of stainless steel and is designed for grinding spices, coffee beans, and other dry ingredients. The blender has a self-cleaning function, which makes it easy to clean and maintain, and it also comes with a pulse function and 10 speed settings, giving you complete control over the blending process. The blender is 17 inches tall, 8 inches wide, and 9 inches deep, and it weighs 12 pounds. It has a black finish and a sleek design that will look great on any kitchen counter. The blender is also equipped with a 6-foot power cord, making it easy to move around the kitchen. The blender's motor is designed to be quiet and efficient, and it has a noise level of 85 decibels. The blender also comes with a 2-year warranty, giving you peace of mind and protection against defects. In real-world use, the blender with self-cleaning and dry grinder performs exceptionally well. The 1400W motor is powerful and can handle tough ingredients with ease, and the self-cleaning function makes it easy to clean and maintain. The blender is also very quiet, even when running at high speeds, and it has a solid and sturdy build that feels premium in the hand. The blender's performance is also very consistent, and it can handle a variety of tasks from making smoothies to crushing ice and grinding spices. The blender's speed and efficiency are also impressive, and it can make a smoothie in under 30 seconds. The blender's build quality is also very good, with a sturdy base and a high-quality finish that will withstand the rigors of daily use. Real-world reviews praise the blender's powerful motor, its ability to handle tough ingredients, and its ease of use. Many users love the self-cleaning function, which makes it easy to clean and maintain the blender, and they also appreciate the separate mill for grinding spices and coffee.